Hey guys, I'm here to show you guys a tutorial on lesson planning for physical educators and 3 different ways that you can do it in a visually appealing way and how we can share with each other because sharing is caring. And the goal of this is how we can keep things simple. And what I mean by that is how we can make things visually appealing for our colleagues when presenting at a meeting. So we are at a professional development meeting and we had to show a video. And so the way I have this set up is going to be very similar to the way I have the animation set up. But all we have here is the video on the right side that you can click and present at the video. I'm not going to do that right now, but it will be right here on the side. And then you have the description of the game right here. You have the name of the game, the equipment, the setup, the goal, the type of the game, and the national PE standards that it aligns to. So we have all the information that PE teachers might need to jot down on the left, and then the video on the right. And the importance of the video is that they get to see a concrete visual of how the game is played and how it's going in live action. Because a lot of times you see, maybe see a lesson plan online, and it is just all text, which can be great to a certain extent. But when you get that visual reinforcement, it makes it easier for you to teach it or to adjust how the game is taught. The next way is very similar setup. It's just an animation. So your lesson plan is being shared through an animation. You can create animations if you have the right software. This is a physical educator in Canada who does an excellent job of walking you through the game details through animation. So again, you're at a meeting and you have to present. You have the animation on the right side. You have maybe a link to the application or where you can buy these animations to create your own lesson plans. And then on the left side you have the game details like I discussed in the previous slide. Lastly, it's just keeping it really simple. Maybe you had to present to you wanted to present a game to students, or you had a substitute, or you're presenting to other colleagues, and you just wanted to show them a quick way of doing it. And this is just the title of the game, what equipment that you would need, which is not a lot. It's 8 folding mats. This is for Gaga ball. 8 folding mats and 1 Gaga ball or 1 foam ball. How to set this up in your gym. And then lastly, you have the rules. And again, this would be appealing to the eye because we have the white background with the black text and everything's popping. And we have the bullets to break things out. If you have something like an out that requires different ways you can get out, you can indent even more, and that can kind of separate it from the rest of the information. But again, there's not a lot on my screen. You just have caricatures on the side reminding that this is a PE class. But you have all the rules right here, and it's not a lot of rules, and it's just well organized and easy, so a sub could play the game, or students could see the slideshow and play the game, or a teacher can learn a game for the first time. So those are 3 ways that you can share lessons that are in a visually appealing way using video, animation, or slideshows. These are all great ways to share